Yep, it's me, Robert. I'm on the roof from Rob's Painting and Home Repairs. Just wanted you guys, to know, because I told you guys I'll start putting myself inside these jobs that I do, so you guys understand that it's actually me doing the work. I had a customer try to say that, I was stealing people's videos. Anyway, here you go. You can see it's me. I'm doing the work. And that's the same roof I just made a video about. I'm about to move these 3 stacks up a couple so I could take out a couple more rows, because it looks like the paper is welching up top, and I want to start the paper higher when I repair the roof up top. So that's where we at with it. I'm gonna go up 2 more rows, and it looks like it's just on the gutter drain. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that, and then hopefully that'll take care of this problem. Again, you can't guarantee a roof fix like this. All you could do is say, do your best to fix it and hope it doesn't leak again. But the only way you can guarantee a roof leak is if you redo the roof. All right, I'll let you guys know when I'm done.